problem. Seems slightly more complicated than it really should be, and I think there's multiple ways to do this problem. I'm gonna do it a couple of different ways. First, I'll start off with this. I see this, and I think cross multiplying right away for some reason. So I'm going to show you that way first. So let's cross multiply this. I'm going to multiply the 7 by the x and y by the 3, so that'll make it 7x equals 3y. And now this is starting to look a little bit more like the answer choices, not completely, but a little more at least. See how this is 7x equals 3y? That's what I got out of it. That's completely different than a, so for that reason I'm going to cross out a. B is just isolating the y, so that means divide both sides by 3. So that would leave me with 7 over 3 x equals y. Yep. So that matches up. So that looks like my answer, but let me just show you why C and D wouldn't work. So in C, we're essentially isolating the x. So if I were to do that, I would have to divide both sides by 7, so that will leave me with x equals 3 over 7y, which doesn't match up. And over here, I already isolated the y over here. And this is the wrong isolation, or the wrong algebra behind it, because it should be 7 over 3x. So that's wrong. So my answer is B. That's one way of looking at it. Here's another one. Let me see if I want to erase. I'll erase this right here. Okay. So if I have x over y equals 3 over 7, right? X over y equals 3 over 7. This is essentially saying that x is 3 and y is 7. So I know that x has to be 3 and y has to be 7. So let's plug these numbers in here. 7 times 7 is 49, and 3 times 3 is 9. That doesn't equal out, so that's why A is gone. Let's go to B. 7 over 3 times 3. Does that equal 7? See how the 3 and the 3 cancels out? You're left with 7 equals 7, and that is why B was the answer. But let's just see how C doesn't work now. So 7 over 3 times 7, does that equal 3? Which is what C is, right? 7 times 7 is 49. Does 49 divided by 3 equal 3? Nope. And lastly, 3 over 7 times 3, because that's what x is, equals 7. That's what answer choice D is saying. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 7 doesn't equal 7, so for that reason D is gone. So you can understand, you can either cross multiply and you can get it that way, or you can just figure out that x equals 3 and see that y equals 7, plug them back in and see which one works out for you. But I do like cross multiplication. The SAT loves testing on cross multiplication, so be on the lookout for that.